Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be painting this square Tealight holder. I have already done the base coat with black and grid marks with the corners and the perpendicular 90 degree. I'm doing painting this using my leftover color from different palettes, so I'm using that to create this. So the first rings of dot I have used 2.5 mm of tool. If you don't have happy dotting tool, you can use your small rod of the dotting tool to do that. And I'm just loading a lot of paint for my second row with the same dotting tool. Then I'm using the oval tool to do the corner big dot. If you don't have oval dotting tool, you can do skip this and do it a circle with your biggest circle, whatever as per your size of your Tealight holder. You can take the bigger dot, circular dot, and then go with the walking up dot. Then I am doing a brush stroke with a blue color, and I am using a liner brush here 2/0 from Thoughtful Dots. If you don't have that, you can use your rigger brushes, which are very thin, and you can load your paint. Here it's a very small brush stroke, like not very thick, so you can load less paint and do the first brush stroke from down to up. Then I'm going for walking of dots. Then next, using the same brush, but I have loaded a lot of paint here to do a thicker, so that you cover the edges of the square. Now I'm going covering the edge. I'm going with the second brush stroke. I'm using the same brushes to do the brush stroke. So now I will be partitioning it so that I will know that I have this much area for my next brush stroke. So I am done with 3 brush stroke. Now I will do a partition like the middle line. So once you do the brush stroke, there will be a slight adjustment with the middle line. You can see if it is tilting more to left or right, you can adjust, and as per the 3 brush stroke, and you can decide the middle line. See, one middle was not there, so I have just slightly up of the row I have taken the next swoosh. So this also I'm using the brush. So be gentle with your paint, loading of paint here. If you are not sure about your brush stroke, you can use your dotting tool also. You can load the paint and choose it out. So here I am using the 3/0, the smallest liner brush, to do the short stroke. You can use short bristle. I use US Art Supply, but here I have used all the things I have done with only one brush. So you can, as per your comfortable, you can use your brush. Now we will be doing little bit detailing. Once the paint is dried, I am doing a gold dot on the blue, then swooshes over the green one, and micro dotting. So this adds a very 3D effect to your mandala design. And since it's a Diwali Tealight holder and Diwali is coming, we need little bit of glitter, and I love glitter, adding glitters, shiny piece to my mandala. So, and this micro dot, if you don't have space, you can skip that and directly go for a top dot of golden. At the last, I will be doing a top dot on the second ring of circle. So finally we are done with our Tealight holder. If you try this out, do let me tag me. My Instagram handle is soothing mandala. You can let me know if you have any comment in my YouTube channel. I have a playlist of tea light holder you can follow to create different designs of tea light holder. And wish you all a very happy Diwali in advance. I'll be this is the first tea light holder I'm sharing for this year. Next I'll be creating more tea light holder which I'll be sharing with you in my future video. So subscribe to my channel and keep watching. Thank you.